Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy wholesale on Alibaba. So just search Alibaba right here and you can see here this wholesale products. Head over and click on that and then you should be able to see this. So for example, let's put in here Shane Bale's brand new. So you can click on search right here in order to search for wholesale of that. Now you should be able to see in here some products that is actually related to your search and then you can see this from in here. So you can actually contact supplier or chat them right now. So if you want, you can contact the supplier right here and then you should be prompted to this one wherein you just need to log in order to contact them. Now what you can do is you can head over and then chat now right here in order to chat this particular person. And you can see right here that the minimum order is 500 pairs. That means that it's actually a wholesale deal on Alibaba. When you scroll down, you can also see in here some things like for example this ones. The minimum order for this one is 10 pieces, which is actually wholesale. And also from here you can see this minimum order as well and all of these things. So just head over and then add them to your cart if that's possible, and then from in there you can click on this add to cart. Then from in there you can see this select variations. So you can put in here a lot of variation for the sizes. So let's put in here 10. As you can see, we have now this. So it actually comes out to 10.24 a piece, which is actually the wholesale price for this one. So click on this add to cart and then from in there you should be able to check it out. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.